Good day everyone. Today, we will explore the different types of keys in database management systems. Keys play a crucial role in organizing, maintaining, and ensuring data integrity in databases. This session will help you understand their importance and applications in real-world database designs. Let's begin. A key in a database is an attribute or a set of attributes that uniquely identify a record in a table. Keys are essential to access and retrieve data efficiently. They also help establish relationships between tables, ensuring data consistency and reducing redundancy. In this session, we will discuss different types of keys and how they function in a database environment. Okay, so first one is primary key. A primary key is a unique identifier for each record in a table. It ensures that there are no duplicate values and that no record has a null value in this column. For example, in an employee table, we might have employee ID as the primary key. Every employee must have a unique employee ID, making it the best choice. Similarly, in a student table, the roll number serves as the primary key, ensuring each student is uniquely identified. A primary key is a minimal super key and is represented by underlining the attribute name in an ER diagram. Next, candidate key. Candidate keys are attributes that can uniquely identify a record. However, only one is selected as the primary key. For example, in a student table, both roll number and Aadhaar number could serve as unique identifiers. Since Aadhaar number is a government-issued ID and always unique, it is a strong candidate. However, roll number is often used as the primary key, making Aadhaar number an alternate key. The main property of a candidate key is that it is a minimal super key. Removing any attribute from it will make it non-unique. Next, super key. A super key is a superset of a candidate key. It may contain additional attributes that are not necessary for uniqueness. For instance, in an employee table, employee ID is a super key, but so is employee ID, email, or employee ID, name, email. However, a super key should not have unnecessary attributes. The minimal version of a super key is called a candidate key. Next, foreign key. A foreign key establishes relationships between tables. It is a column in one table that references the primary key of another table. For example, in an employee table, we store department ID, which references the department ID column in the department table. This ensures referential integrity, meaning every employee must belong to a valid department. Slide 7. Alternate key. An alternate key is simply a candidate key that is not selected as the primary key. For example, in our student table, if roll number is chosen as the primary key, Aadhaar number becomes the alternate key. Alternate keys are still unique, and they can be used in indexes to optimize searches. Next K is composite key. A composite key consists of two or more attributes that together uniquely identify a record. For example, in an order details table, neither order ID nor product ID alone can uniquely identify a record. However, when combined, order ID, product ID, forms a unique identifier. Composite keys are useful when no single attribute can ensure uniqueness. Next is unique key. A unique key is similar to a primary key but allows null values. For example, in a user table, email must be unique, but some users may not provide a phone number. Hence, the phone number field can be a unique key with null values allowed. Unique keys help maintain data integrity while allowing flexibility. Next,